to become a good athlete, one must maintain physical fitness, healthy lifestyle, and engage in constant training. But have you ever wondered what it is like to be a school good athlete?
Despite having to keep up missed classes and discussion, they still managed to excel and play a crucial role in representing our school in sport. Truly inspiring, aren't they?
Hi, my name is Naomi Mayores.
And I am Eliza Mir Emil.
Join us as we explore an athlete's viewpoint and to meet our respected interviewers.
Good morning
Good afternoon
And good evening
to everyone around the world and to our fellow Monlimarians. We are
the
VSC interviewers.
at kami ang inyong makakasama sa pag-interview ng mga athletes here in Taguig City at Monlimar Development Academy. Halina't samahan niyo kaming kilalanin sila.
Good morning po, and today I'm with our first interviewee. Ano pong pangalan niyo po? Yung sports na ginagawa niyo?
Prince AJ F. Bormog po. Ang sports ko po ay basketball po.
And our first question po is, ano pong exercise routine niyo na ginagawa niyo po habang nagtitraining po?
Jogging po, tapos stretch po yung yung katawan ko po.
And ano pong specific training strategy yung ginagawa niyo para maging magaling po kayo sa pag-free throw niyo po?
Ano po, relax lang po yung katawan, tapos tititira niyo po yung bola.
Ano naman may-inspire mga fellow student mo maging physically active like you?
Yayayain ko po sila para exercise rin po yung katawan nila.
First question, what are the exercise routines that you have done while you are in training?
Okay, the exercise routine that I have while I'm in the training is yung strength training na tinatawag, which is yung strength training, it includes the exercises of push-ups, tapos meron ding mga weightlifting na kung saan kinakailangan ng isang athlete at ng isang individual kasi kapag gumagawa kami ng strength training, nai-improve din yung physical fitness namin. And also, mas nagiging prepare kami sa mga games na mangyayari sa in the future.
Second question, what specific training strategies will you implement to enhance your spiking and serving?
I think pagdating sa spiking and serving, yung may implement ko na exercise natin is yung pagtaas ng vertical jump namin. Kasi una sa student athlete, pag viable period na kinakailangan mataas yung talon mo para mas mataas din yung reach mo sa bola kapag papalo ka. And also, kailangan rin namin masigasuhin or gawin yung balancing. Kasi kapag mataas yung talon mo, syempre may tendency na magtitake yun ng risk and injury. So, kinakailangan din ng maayos na balance so that kapag tatalon ka, ma-prevent mo yung mga injuries na mangyayari sa'yo.
Last question, how would you encourage your fellow students to engage in physical training before, during, and after your exercises?
To encourage all the students before, during, and after the exercises, siguro ipapaalala ko sa kanila yung importance ng overall physical fitness. Kasi kahit hindi ka student athlete or kahit isa ka lang normal na individual, kinakailangan natin na mag-exercise araw-araw or hindi naman kahit araw-araw, kailangan natin exercise routine. Kasi nakakatulong ito para sa pag-improve ng ating physical fitness and also hindi lang sa pag-improve dito, kundi na-enhance rin ito yung ating physical, yung social natin, contribution. Kasi kapag meron tayong mga exercises, mas magkakaroon tayo ng gana sa mga laro gagawin.
Alright, I think that's all. Thank you so much.
Greetings! Ngayon kasama natin ay tatlong interviewee. May we know your name, grade and section, and what specific backgrounds?
James Jacinto 11 Gates, tapos badminton po.
What are the exercise routines you have while you are in training?
Usually po more on footworks para mabilis sa court, then yung consistency lang ng shots.
Number 2, what specific training strategies would you implement to enhance your smashing performance?
Usually more on body coordination para makuha yung full strength ng smash, then yung consistency ulit.
How would you encourage your fellow students to engage in physical training?
Usually, mas okay kasi pag magbabadminton tayo kasi head to toe yung hit ng muscles natin and bukod sa pagbabadminton, ma-enhance natin yung intelligence natin kasi mag-isip tayo ng strategy sa court. Yun lang.
And this is where our exploration towards the athlete viewpoints will end. Once again, we are Visionary Student Camp, guiding you with accurate information.
Showing appreciation for people across the world and raising awareness about the real world.
The exercise training that is included in the interview is the aerobic exercise. because of the continuous movement of them while doing a training. It is important because it improves their aerobic capacity.